1970 that 3205 first ran in traffic. The Severn Valley Railway is so special. It's a real part of our social industrial history. It is vital to save something as important as this, but it doesn't come cheaply.
The reality is, actually, we just don't make enough money from our passenger income. If we even look at our locomotives, up to £600,000 to restore a locomotive and up to £100,000 for a carriage. So big, big numbers.
We invest huge sums of money each year into just renovating and overhauling the steam locomotives, the buildings, the structures that make this railway so special. And that's why we look to our partners like the Severn Valley Railway Charitable Trust and why they are so important.
We've achieved so much since we launched the charity in 2012, and we've been humbled by the generosity of our donors. The Charitable Trust is the main funder for our Heritage Skills Training Academy. Every apprentice that we take on, it costs us £21,000 a year, and they're with us for 4 years.
The Heritage Skills Training Academy is our academy for young people who come to the railway and are taught the skills of how to maintain our old carriage fleet and our locomotives.
I've loved growing up with a railway close by. Severn Valley means to me that we're preserving the past for the future. I've got 1 year left of my apprenticeship, so next year I hope to become a full-time member of staff and carry on doing amazing stuff, working in the carriage works and developing my skills further.
Giving to a charity is a tax-effective way of giving, whether that be through your company for possible corporation tax relief, as a donor giving a single or a regular gift. A £100 donation actually increases to £125 with gift aid. We know why our donors support us. They love being at the railway. They also want their family to be able to visit in future years. They also know that as a charity, we are investing their money in an effective way, and they can see the impact that their donations are making.
It's a real gem as a heritage railway and as an attraction in the local area.
It's really important to keep the railway going so that it's there for the future, for future generations and for future people to come and visit and see and go, oh wow. I love working here because you just got a feeling it's like it's another family, learning all of these skills that have been around for so long.
I think it is that pride and passion that we all have for working here that really gives it its energy and makes it a place that you are so proud and emotional to work in.